Namo Venkatesaya. Welcome to Temples Guide English channel. We welcome all the devotees to our new channel. In our channel, we will be informing you all the important dates and the tickets availability, any new rules or regulations which are informed by TTD department, and not only about Tirumala, we would also be giving you most precious information about different temples in our country and our culture. In our video today, we will be telling you on very important information about COVID related rules and regulations informed by TTD. Please do watch till the end of the video and kindly comment in our comment section. We would definitely get back to you with whatever information, authentic information we have with us. If you are a new subscriber to our channel, please do subscribe for our channel and click on the bell icon and please select all notifications. Many people from the Telugu channel and Hindi channel keep asking us, we don't get notifications when you upload any new video about TTD. We would like to inform you that once you click on the bell icon and click on all notifications, only then you will be notified about the updates of our new videos which we keep updating about TTD and free darshan tickets, etc. One very important information I would like to inform all of you, just in case if you're booking online tickets for 300 rupees or free darshan, for some reason, technical reason, you would not be able to book the tickets for darshan and your money gets debited from your bank account. Please do not worry. Your money will be refunded by TTD department in 3 to 4 working days into the same bank account from which you have booked your tickets. If you do not have a confirmation of the booking for the free darshan or 500 rupees ticket or 300 rupees ticket, please do not visit Tirumala without having a confirmation of the darshan. If you haven't received any confirmation, the amount will be refunded back to you into the same banking account from which you have booked the ticket. One more important information I would like to inform all the devotees. Once you have finished booking for darshan and subsequently you would book for a room, and if at all, if you are reaching the Tirumala after 1 to 2 hours of the booking time, the rooms will not be allotted to you. In other words, I would like to tell you that if you have done the room booking, for example, at 12 o'clock in the noon, and you reach the place by 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock on the same day afternoon, the rooms will not be allotted to you. So kindly plan in such a way that you will give 1 or 2 hours of buffer after you reach the place. Coming to the utmost important information about COVID related information which is given by TTD department today. All the devotees who would like to have darshan of Lord Venkateshwara need to have a negative certificate of COVID or a vaccinated 2 doses certificate with them. The same will be checked near the Alipiri entrance. So people who do not have either a negative certificate of COVID or a 2 vaccinated dose certificate will not be allowed for having darshan. We do understand that it is a very troublesome thing for all of us who wanted to have darshan. But keeping in view the third wave of COVID, it is utmost important for all of us to be safe. So kindly carry either a negative certificate along with you or the 2-dose completed certificate for having darshan. Now coming to one more important information about free tickets. This month, December 2021, on 26th, there will be 10,000 tickets which will be issued for free darshan, out of which 5,000 tickets will be available to be booked online and other 5,000 tickets would be issued in Tirupati. As of now, the information is not given by TTD people as to where these 5,000 free tickets will be issued in Tirupati. As soon as we get to know the information, we will definitely share with all our devotees in our channel. Also in the month of January, since Vaikunta Ekadashi is falling on January 13th, we request all the devotees to properly book their darshan tickets, rooms and accordingly plan their trip to Tirumala and Tirupati. We will get back to you with all the important information about Lord Venkateshwara's darshan at Tirumala and Tirupati trip, etc. in our channel. Please do subscribe and encourage us. Om Namo Venkatesaya.